Hi, I'm Ted Scaff with Bonanza Trade & Supply, StoneTooling.com. We're here today with our vendor partner, Tim Shockey and Schluter Systems. Tim's here today to do live demonstrations on tile and stone installation systems. Tim, hand it over to you. Thanks so much for being here.
Thank you, Ted. Appreciate you having me. Welcome, everybody. My name is Tim Shockey. I'm the territory manager for Schluter Systems, covering the LA market. And we're going to show you a brief overview of our waterproof, vapor-tight, sealed shower system. So, quick overview of the components. Curdy membrane here. This is our sheet membrane, waterproof, vapor-tight, 8 mil thick. You can take this in thin set applied right over various backer boards, drywall, den shield, hardy backer, you name it, even a floated wall. Instant uniform thickness, and you're waterproofed. Over here we're showing Curdy board, our Curdy board product, both with the shower niche and basically our building panel. 1/2 inch board, waterproof, vapor tight. Various options within the shower. We've got Schluter Curdy curbs. We've got inside and outside corners, which you can see here. We actually have 22 different sizes of shower pans, both for line drains and point drains, with the waterproofing already integrated, along with a 2-inch slope. We also are showing what's called Curdy band. This is our waterproofing membrane for our floor to wall connections and any patchwork that may be needed along the wall. Beyond that, prefab shower ramp. We're showing our Dietra product here. This is our uncoupling membrane. And then over here, we're showing an assortment of various drains, both point drain and linear drain. Nice little display for Dietra heat. This is our floor warming product. Oftentimes people think that it doesn't get cold enough in California for a warm floor, but it certainly does. That tile gets cold in January and February. This is referred to as Dietra heat. So various options here. Meet us at one of our workshops. Go to Schluter.com. Under Education tab, you can take a look at the future upcoming workshops to the event. We'd be happy to have you come on out.
Thank you so much, Tim, and thanks for being here. And everything you've seen here today and a lot more can be purchased online at StoneTooling.com or the retail store here in North Hollywood at Bonanza Trade & Supply. Thanks so much.